Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about Muthoot Finance Limited. This company share is trading at 1157.40 and the price is seems to be well below its intrinsic value, and the company is performance is very good and company is having fundamentally strong performance. I had already uploaded one video about Muthoot Finance. At that time, the price was trading near to the same value, and the performance was very good at that time also. Today, we'll be discussing more in detail about the company performance and its basic fundamentals. If you see the chart of 5 years, the company has given a 479.42 percentage return over 5 years, and the low was 188. From 188, the company share price is trading at 1157. It has touched high of 1405. During the March crash, that time it has touched near to 600 level, and that was a very good opportunity to accumulate this stock. At current price also, if you see that as per ticker tape, the current price is below its intrinsic value on, and all other parameters like returns versus FT and dividend return all are green. So the company price is very attractive right now, and it is a very good price to accumulate this stock. Going forward, we'll be checking about its PE also. Current PE is coming approximately around 12. Compared to its peers, this company PE is very low, and that makes the company more attractive to do our investment. Apart from that, the business Muthoot Finance is having is that it is mainly based on gold loan. So all of you aware that the gold is a very good hedge investment during any crisis. Currently we are all going through the crisis of corona pandemic, and that time having investment in gold will be a very good hedge against any economic uncertainty. So the business of Muthoot Finance is mainly focused on gold loan. By accumulating this stock, we'll be having a hedge also against any uncertainty, because they are mainly into gold loan. So having gold in their custody will make them more secure, all the loans more secure. If any uncertainty and any people default from their gold loan, they can use the gold which they have kept as guarantee. So that makes this company business a unique one, and having share in this company will be making our portfolio more good. See the basic parameters. You can see that stock PE, current stock PE is near to 12.8, near to 13. So the currently the PE is very attractive for any finance company, and the ROC is 16 percentage and ROE is 28.8 percentage, which is also very good, and the company is having dividend yield of 1.73 at this current price. So the price is also very good, and the price you can see that 1157, it has recently touched 1400. From there it has fallen to till 1157, and accumulating this stock at this level, and when the price is going below 1100, then also you can accumulate more, and whenever the price is going down you can accumulate, because this is a sure shot, and as per company's performance, the price is current price also very good, and it can easily reach 1500 and above. Recently it has touched 1400, so you can clearly see that the based since the company is having good fundamentals, the price will go up, and you can expect good return in the near short term also. Short term in the sense 1 year you can expect, and since we are mainly focused on long term, this company share price current price is very attractive for long term investment. As per ticker tape, these are the pros of investing in this company. Company has delivered good profit growth of 36.15 percentage CAGR over last 5 years, which is very good, and the ROE is 3-year ROE is 26.13, and the company is having good dividend, healthy dividend payout ratio of 21.39. There is no cons as per ticker tape, but you can anyway, if you are investing in this company, the company performance is very good and fundamentals are good, still you should not invest all of your money into this company. You can divide your investments into different companies, and 10% 20% of the if your investable amount you can invest in this company, and that too you can part by part. Do not go by a single investment, because if the price is going again down, you will be missing a chance to invest at lower rate. And so you can invest a part of your investable amount in this company right now, and then accumulate more when the price is going down. Do not invest all of your investable amount into a single company. This is the peer comparison. From this you can see that the Muthoot Finance is having a PE of 12.85, near 13 PE. Other companies are having, see, the Bajaj Finance is having PE of 74.45, and Bajaj Finserv is having 39.31, and SBI Cards are having 94.06. Even though the finance sector is a vast sector, and different companies are having different scenarios and investing areas, you cannot directly compare each company to one, but the thing is that if you see the PE, you will be accumulating the Muthoot Finance stock at a very good price, seeing this PE of the 12.85. Dividend yield also good for the Muthoot Finance, and the ROC, you can see that the HDFC AMC is having 39.93 ROCE, but that business is slightly different from Muthoot Finance. You can that in the company also very good. HDFC AMC also very good. You can consider that also for investment. Currently we are mainly focused on Muthoot Finance, and HDFC AMC is having currently PE of 44.6, compared to that Muthoot Finance is having 12.85 PE, and other parameters also very good, and the company is well priced compared to other peers. This is the dividend history of this company. You can see that in 2013-14 they have given Rs3 per share and Rs2 per share, like that. And from 2020-21 you can see that 15 Rs20 per share as interim dividend. Though company is every year company is giving good dividend, and the dividend is also increasing substantially, and a good dividend currently they are giving. So as the company is growing, the dividend also getting increased, and that is a very good strategy, and you can invest in this company for good dividend or yield also, as well as good capital appreciation. This is the history of this basic snapshot of the history of this company share, and you can see that stock price CAGR. Stock price is CAGR for 5 years it has given 42% CAGR, and for 3 years it has given 38%, and for 1 year it has given 34%. So stock price capital gain wise also your investment is increasing at a CAGR of 30 to 40% for 5 years, 3 years and 1 year. So the profit also, you can see the CAGR of profit growth is for 5 years 36% and 3 years 38%. All these things are showing that the company performance is very good, and the profit also getting increased at a very good CAGR of 38%, and the company share price also increasing at very good rate. So you can get good capital gain against your investment, as well as good dividend or yield also you will be getting by investing in this company. This company unique business is in gold, that's why that makes this investment more attractive during this uncertainty. If you see the shareholding pattern, you can see that promoters are currently holding the 73.40. There is no much difference changes in the promoter holding. FIAs are from June 2018, and they were having 9.87%, and currently in March 2021 you can see that 15.99% holding they are having. So they are increasing their holding every year, and they got good holding apart from promoters. DAs are having 6.60 currently, and they have reduced their holding, and the government is having currently they don't have any holding in this company, and public is having 4.02%. Earlier also there is no much difference. Only the thing is that FIs are increasing their holding in this company, which is very good. Since FIs are having good investment in this company and they have increased their holding, that makes the investment more secure in this company. See the earning per share also, you can see that from 2016 earning per share was 20.46, and 2020 by March 2020 it has gone to 78.30. So every year the earning per share is increasing, that is increasing, getting increased very good rate. Dividend also getting increased, and earlier I have shown you the dividend history from March 2016, where it was having 6 as a dividend. Currently 2020 they have given 15 as dividend. So again we'll be analyzing how we'll be planning investment in this company. See, you can invest right now also. This company is having a very attractive price at this level, and recently it has touched 1400. From there it has came down to 1150. So that range is also very attractive to invest, and the recent fall it has fallen to 600. We may not get that price in near future. If any negative uncertainty happens, then we can expect, but that is very rare chance only. So from this level you can start accumulating this in this company, and every fall you can accumulate more and more. This company is having history, more good history. Based on that history we can assure that going forward this company will perform very well, and the performance is also we can see in this chart. So accumulating at this price and below this price will be a very good investment for our long term investment, and a very good opportunity is right now. You can analyze, do your own analysis, don't go by my words. You can do your own analysis, and if you feel that the investment is good, then you can start doing investment in this company. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.